Tricky words set 13. O-V-E-R over. O-V-E-R over. O-V-E-R over. The thief climbed over the wall. N-E-V-E-R never. N-E-V-E-R never. N-E-V-E-R never. You should never touch electricity with wet hands. N-A-R-R-A-T-O-R narrator. N-A-R-R-A-T-O-R narrator. N-A-R-R-A-T-O-R narrator. The narrator made the story more exciting. H-O-W how. H-O-W how. H-O-W how. How is the weather today? T-H-I-N-G-S things. T-H-I-N-G-S things. T-H-I-N-G-S things. Tim packed his things neatly in his suitcase. M-A-G-I-C magic. M-A-G-I-C magic. M-A-G-I-C magic. The wizard used magic to open the door. N-E-X-T next. N-E-X-T next. N-E-X-T next. Sam and Lisa are sitting next to each other in class. S-M-A-L-L small. S-M-A-L-L small. S-M-A-L-L small. The small red ladybug is on the leaf. D-I-D did. D-I-D did. D-I-D did. I did not go outside because it was raining. N-E-W new. N-E-W new. N-E-W new. Jack is wearing a new pair of shoes. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.